Nutrition. Nutrition is the biochemical and physiological process by which living organisms use food to grow, maintain themselves, and reproduce. The science that studies the physiological process of nutrition is called nutritional science. Human nutrition deals with essential nutrients in food. Poor nutrition can result in deficiency-related diseases like anemia and scurvy. Excess nutrition can result in conditions like obesity and cardiovascular diseases. Nutrients. Nutrients are substances used by the living organisms to grow, maintain themselves, and reproduce. Essential nutrients cannot be synthesized by the body and must be present in the food. Non-essential nutrients can be synthesized by the body and need not be present in the food. Nutrients can be divided into two categories based on the amount required by the body. They are macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that are required in large amounts for the proper functioning of the body. They are needed in gram quantities. They provide the body with energy. The energy is measured in calories. Three main macronutrients are fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the sugars, starches, and fibers found in food. At the chemical level, they contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, so they are called carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. Carbohydrates easily break down into glucose, blood sugar, in the body and provide energy. They prevent protein from being used as energy source and enable fat metabolism. Sugar is a simple carbohydrate, while fiber and starch are complex carbohydrates. Glucose is used in the cells of the body and in the brain. Unused glucose is stored in the liver and muscles for later use. Proteins. Protein is one of the essential nutrients for building the body tissue and muscles. Chemically, protein is made of amino acids. Amino acids are organic compounds made of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, or sulfur. The name protein was coined by Swedish chemist Jöns Jacob Berzelius in 1838. They are mainly found in animal sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Also found in plant sources like nuts, grains, and legumes. Digestion of protein starts in the stomach when pepsinogen is converted to pepsin. Digestion continues in the small intestines by trypsin and chemotrypsin. Proteins are broken into single amino acids or peptides of amino acids. Maximum absorption of protein amino acids takes place in the small intestine. Fats. Fat is a major and dense source of energy. Fat has 9 calories per gram. Fat is an essential nutrient, but it is harmful to eat too much. Body stores energy in the form of triglycerides in adipose or fat tissue. During exercise, stored fat, triglycerides, in the body is broken down into fatty acids. 3 types of fats are unsaturated fat, saturated fat, trans fat. Unsaturated fats, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats are called healthy fats. Saturated fats and trans fats are commonly called unhealthy fats. Unsaturated fat, usually found in a liquid state at room temperature. Monounsaturated fats have 1 double bond. Polyunsaturated fats have multiple double bonds. Decrease the risk for heart disease found in plant foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olives, and oils. Found in animal sources like fatty fishes, salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna. Saturated fat. Saturated in hydrogen molecules increases the LDL cholesterol levels and can increase the risk for heart disease. Found mostly in animal sources, with high fat content, red meats, poultry, dairy products, etc. Trans fat. Produced by adding hydrogen molecules to the unsaturated fats. Increased risk for heart disease found mostly in processed and fried foods.